Hello, welcome back. Here is the second question that we're going to solve. Okay, it says using trapezoidal rule, okay, with ordinates at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Calculate correct to two decimal places. Integral from 1 to 5 of square root of 2x plus 8x raised to power minus 2 rather. So let's quickly check it out. So how do we use a trapezoidal rule? So without wasting much of our time, now let us take the table. Okay, so we have values of x ranging from 1 to 5, and so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now in the question we have 2x, so put 2x. So we have 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. So that's the meaning of 2x. That is, you use 2 to multiply each of them. The second part, actually we can rewrite this question as an integral from 1 to 5 of the square root of 2x plus 8 over x squared. So the second part we can have 8 over x squared. So that's what we'll divide 8 by what? X squared. So when you take x squared, 1 square divided by 8, that gives you what? 8. And then we also have 8 over 2 square. 2 square is 4. 8 over 4, that's 2. And then we have 3 square. Okay? So 8 divided by 9, and that gives us 0.888. So 4 square is 16. 8 divided by 16, that's 0.5. So 5 square, that's 25. So 8 divided by 25, and that gives us 0.332. So the next thing is to put together 2x and 8 over x squared. So we have 2x plus 8 over x squared. So let's add them together. At least we are adding this and this. That's 2x plus 8 over x squared. So that gives us, we have 10, we have 6, we have 6.888, then we have 8.5, then we have 10.32. Okay, now please don't, when you are forming your table, well, let's continue. Now the square root of so the final one is the value of y. So the value of y is the whole of this. The whole of this is the value of y. Okay, so y equals to the square root of 2x plus 8 over x squared. So that means we are going to be taking the square root of each of this. Okay, so let's begin. So the square root of 10 gives us 3.1622. 3.1622. Square root of 6, okay, 2.4494. 4494. Square root of 6.888. 2.6244. 2.6244. Then square root of 8.45. So 8.5, that gives us 2.8982. 2.8982. So square root of 10.32. That gives us 30, okay, 3.32. 2124. 3.2124. So now, how are we going to use this table? So how we're going to use this table is this integral we have here. You know that our y is equal to square root of 2x plus 8 over x squared. So that means this integral is actually the integral from 1 to 5 of y dx. So that means integral from 1 to 5 of y dx, according to our trapezoidal rule, is approximately, it's an approximate value, approximately half h into y1 into y1 plus y2, y1 plus yn, that is the last number, y plus yn plus 2 into y2 plus y3 plus yn minus 1 plus yn minus 1. So, all right. Now, in our own case here, we have 1 to 5. So that means this one becomes 1 over 2, integral from 1 to 5. Okay, that means this we have a 1 plus y1 plus y5, and this one is going to be y4. Okay, so our h is the common difference. H is the common difference between the intervals of x. So that is 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. That's the height of the trapezium when you plot the graph of this. So that will be equals to 1. So we have h to be 1. So what we need to do here is, now let us add y1 plus y5. y1 plus y5 is equal to, what's our y1? 3 point, this is your y1 and this is your y2. Okay, so let's add it together. We have 3.2124 plus 3.1622. 3.1622 plus 3.24, 3.2124, 2124. So that gives us 6.374. That's half times 1 into 6.3746 plus twice. So we are going to add y2, y3, and y4. This. So and that's going to be 2.4494 plus 2.6244 plus 2.8982, 2.8982, and that's equal to 7.972. 7.972. So we have a half into 6.3746 plus, when you take twice of that, that's multiplied by 2, we have 15.944. 15.944, and so this becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by, the time we add it to 6.3746. 6.3746. Okay, that's going to be 22.31, 22.3186. So that's equal to, by the time we divide it by 2, we're going to be having 11.1593. 11.1593. So we're told to put it into 2 decimal places, which is approximately 11.16. That's 2 decimal places. So that's it. That's trapezoidal rule. So in the next class, we are going to look at small questions, but I would like you to go and solve this problem. Integral from 1 to 4 of dx over 9 minus x squared at interval of x at interval 0.5. So in the next class, we are going to be looking at that. So thank you and God bless you.